We'll try Jollibee in Hawaii. Let's see what's different. California peeps doesn't have much Jollibee in their area, so they have to drive 2 hours away just to get to Jollibee. We have Angus burgers. This is very new to me. What else? We got this cups, Jollibee cups, and we can get unlimited Pepsi products. Right. So, okay. Nana's gonna have water. Where's the water? Oh, I think. We got burger steak and chicken.
Hindi, yung spicy ito.
About the same.
Ito, dito. Ah, yung eggplant.
Lambot.
Si Kate kasama din sa Maldives na.
Chicken Joy.
Lagers ka.
Mayroon ba?
Burger steak.
Wala kang pinggan.
Kapal. That's the first thing I noticed. Thick. Here's the palabok.
Masarap ang Angus beef. Kuha ka, oh. Nami ka dyan na makain dito.
Dito ka rin? Dito rin?
Malapit sa akin. 5 minutes.
Not really fan of palabok ng Jollibee. It's because may better palabok pa sa mga grilled.
Mas masarap.
Same lang yung lasa pero malaking serving. Best way to end the Jollibee meal. Ano ko laki.
Sa inyo, liit, no?
Maliit. We'll try the ube.
Pwede mo yan. Ano niya?
Yan, ubiyan.
Ube.
Clean. Nak,
Try that.
pakiangat mo yan. Tissue. Kunin mo na yung tissue. Natatabunan.
Wala naman. Huwag lang kagat. Flakes lahat.